appellant's application for an appeal has been dismissed because it was fatally defective.
How was it fatally defective?
Sorry?
How was it fatally?
Well, there's a format upon which these applications are done in terms of the rules. In this particular application, Rule 37, subsection 2 of the Supreme Court rules was not properly followed. Hence, the application was dismissed.
May you elaborate how it was not followed? How Rule 37.2 was not followed?
Well, there were two notices of appeals that were filed. And in those notices of appeals, it's either one becomes an appellant and the others become a respondent. And that's how they failed to comply with the rules in this particular case.
I was representing one class of the appellants, which are the senators. So I'll try my best to summarize and simplify what's taken place today. So before the Supreme Court was two notices of appeal. One on behalf of the first set of members of Parliament who were recalled from the triples from Parliament, and then the second appeal related to the senators who were also recalled in the same time period. So this is the very first bunch of recalled members who were recalled. So in these appeals, because they were filed separately, the senators were not included in the members of parliament appeal. The members of parliament were not included in the senators' appeal. However, the matters were consolidated for the purposes of hearing. Myself and Advocate Thabani Mpofu were representing the appellants. A point was raised, so it's a technical point. And when I say it's a technical point, it means it has nothing to do with the substance of the matter. It has to do with the paperwork, the technicalities. A point was raised to say that because you excluded my clients from Advocate Mpofu's case, then the appeals are fatally defective. It was an unprecedented point in the sense that there's not any authorities to say that is a fatally defective issue. However, the courts found that even though all the appellants were before the court, they found that the notices were fatally defective, such that those notices were struck off the roll. So what that means, it says go and correct that defect, and the appellants still have an opportunity to then refile those appeals in a manner that complies with this issue that has been raised.
So we're